Welcome back. You're in the PolitBureau. And it's time for Spinners and Spanners, the lighter side of South African politics. So, a video of Hlaudi Motsoeneng, the disgraced former SABC CEO, surfaced online this week, calling on voters to put their trust in his fledgling party, the African Content Movement. Let's have a look.
I have a plan for this country to turn around the lives of our people. The person that is going to change South Africa, whether we like or not, is Hlaudi Motsoeneng, the president of ACM. You know that I'm tested on decision making. I'm tested on changing the lives of our people.
Well, tested indeed. What can you expect from an organic intellectual? The PolitBureau is now adjourned.